This time we're supposed to find 2's complements. In order to find 2's complement, we're supposed to add 1 to 1's complement. We have given binary numbers. So according to this rule, we're supposed to find first 1's complement. 1's complement of this binary number is going to be 0, 1. Remember, we're supposed to find the complement of each bit for the given number. Next, in order to find 2's complement, I'm supposed to add 1 to 1's complement. We got 1's complement 0, 1, and in order to find 2's complement, you're supposed to add 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. You're supposed to write 0 and carry of 1, and I'm going to have simply 1. So this is the solution to my problem, and this is my 2's complement. Let's take a look at this one. We're supposed to find 1's complement first, according to the rule. So 1's complement of this given binary number is going to be 0, 1, 0. If you want to find 2's complement, you're supposed to add 1 to 1's complement. So if you want to find 2's complement, you're supposed to just take 0, 1, 0 and add 1 to it. 0 plus 1 gives me 1, and bring down 1 and 0. So this is the 2's complement of this binary number. Let's take a look at this one. We have to find first 1's complement. So I have 0, 1, 0, 0. This is my 1's complement, and in order to find 2's complement, I'm supposed to add 1 to 1's complement. So 2's complement is 0, 1, 0, 0 plus 1. 1, 0, 1. This is the 2's complement of this number, and this is the solution to my problem.